Hey, and welcome to Josh's Cooking Show, the only show on YouTube that shows you how to cook in Minecraft. So, today I will be showing you how to make your very own slime soup and a little use for sponges. Yes, I'm not kidding. Sponges. Now, you might not think sponges are useful at all, but they're actually pretty useful. So, I will show you that in the end of the video. But, for now, why don't we do the slime soup? So, if we take a nice walk over here, and we just go start up and ignite the pan, the gas and the fire on. This is a gas stove that's powering this pan. It's weird because it's like a stove built into a pan. Yeah, so it's a special pan, but yeah. So up here, you can see I already put in the water in the pan, and it's starting to heat up. Sorry about that. Had a little tumble. So in here, we're gonna want to watch very carefully. You're going to want to throw in some slime. You're going to want to put it in the pot. And everyone at home, make sure you stay on the edge of the pan. You don't want to fall in. This is extremely hot, boiling water. And you want it all to be in the water, none out of the water, just so it can boil. And now that you have all of that in, well, you're going to let it sit there for 10 minutes and cook. And yeah, I just burnt myself. So, especially, do not fall in there. So, now, we're gonna be right back, and I'm gonna let this cook for 10 minutes. Okay, now that we are back, you can see this has turned to milk soup. Now, if you do not believe me, well, I'll pick it up and have a little drink in a little bit. But for now, why don't we make this chocolate milk soup? Now, if you don't know what milk soup is, pretty much it's milk, and you can add like cookies to it, you can add chocolate to it. So pretty much it's just some hot milk that has boiled down with chocolate and everything that you put in, and oh, it's extremely hot. Good thing I turned it off so it's not that hot anymore. So, now that you've added your chocolate, you're also going to want to add some golden apples because they're good on protein, give you longer lasting life, and, well, they're just delicious. So, after you add all of those, keep falling in. Now, you're just going to want to take a glass, and you're going to want to just scoop some up and try it. So, I'm going to try it. There we go. So, now that I have my bucket, let's give it a try. That is delicious. So, I definitely recommend doing this because it is delicious. So, now, why don't we step up right over down here. If we just come down here. So, over here, we have a little demonstration on sponges. So, in this chest, I have some sponge. Now, you see this tank of water. Let's say this was a river. The river is in front of your house. You don't like it. Well, go get some sponge, and simply, it's like magic. It just soaked up all of the water. And now, what are you going to do with that? You're going to harvest it, and then you're going to bring it over here, where then you're going to put it in the furnace, and guess what's going to happen? It's going to come right back out to be a normal sponge. Thanks for watching. This has been Josh's Cooking Show, and goodbye.